What if you could never die? Not because of some miracle pill or futuristic tech, but because of quantum physics. Welcome to the strange and mind-bending world of quantum immortality. Quantum immortality is a thought experiment based on something called the many worlds interpretation, or MWI, of quantum mechanics. According to MWI, every quantum event causes the universe to split into multiple branches, each one representing a different outcome. In one universe, you hit the red light. In another, you make it through. But what happens when the stakes are higher? Imagine you're in a serious car crash. In one branch, you don't make it. In another, some bizarre, near impossible coincidence saves you. Now here's the twist. Quantum immortality says your consciousness only continues in the universes where you survive. So from your point of view, you never die. It's as if, every time you should die, some version of you always wakes up in a world where you don't, no matter how improbable the survival. It's not real-world immortality, but subjective immortality. But here's where it gets even weirder. If true, quantum immortality challenges our entire view of death. From the first-person perspective, death might never come. That sounds comforting until you think about what that means. Will you survive increasingly bizarre accidents? Will your quality of life decay in universes where your body breaks down but your consciousness refuses to quit? What even is you across infinite versions? Philosophers ask, if your consciousness jumps to surviving versions, is it still you? Or are they just copies similar but separate? Now, before you throw away your seatbelt, here's the reality check. First, there's no proof that MWI is correct. Second, there's zero evidence that consciousness can move across universes. And third, death in real life isn't usually a sudden quantum event. It's aging, disease, slow biological processes. Even physicist Max Tegmark, who helped popularize this idea, admits quantum immortality might be a misunderstanding of how consciousness and physics interact. Still, the theory stirs up deep questions. What is death? What is identity? And are there infinite versions of you, defying death in worlds you'll never know? Quantum immortality might not be science fact, but it sure makes you think about what it means to be alive.